Hey everybody, this is Caleb with Caleb Sketches. We're back at the Dayton Boat Dock. My friend Matt's supposed to be meeting me here in a little bit. We're just going to get out here and do a little bit of minnow and jig fishing and see what happens. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to the channel. Channel is growing greatly. We are almost at that 300 subscriber mark for the giveaway. So keep telling your friends and family if you're enjoying the content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get to the fishing. All right, checking with the Ibobber. It's about 9.6 feet right there. Trying to see if, okay, so we got fish at 4 feet. Just trying to see what depth we need to strike at tonight. 5 feet. If we don't get hit here in a second, what I'll do is I'll just reevaluate the depth. I didn't want to, oh, that was a hit. Come on, take it. Got him. Oh my goodness. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, where's he? Man, that's a nice fish. I can't see what he is yet, but it's fairly nice. Hey, we got some crappie. Nice little black crappie to start the night. So they're not very deep tonight. Oh, if he'll close his mouth, I have to have his mouth pinned up against the board. He's borderline. I mean, he's showing pretty much exactly 10 inches, but I like to keep them when they're a little bit bigger than that, so you can get a good bit of meat. So, thanks for playing, buddy. I'll actually try to release you in the water if I can get you close enough. Oh. See if we can get a good release on you. Go the other way. There you go. Okay, I have all the tension on you, so that's a plus. Oh, that was a hit. Got him. I don't know where he is, but I got him. Man. There he goes. Come here, buddy. Yellow. You a yellow? Nope. Another crappie. Oh, he's not a keeper, but he's a crappie. See, there y'all go. Crappie number 2. Little 8-incher. Thanks for playing, buddy. Got him. Oh yeah, there we go. You get over here, buddy. Oh wow, he's fighting pretty good, whatever he is. Might need the net. Oh goodness. Oh, wow, that's a nice truck there. Yeah, there. There's another crappie. So guys, here's the 12 1/4 black crappie. This 12 1/4 black crappie. Send him back to the water. Thanks for playing, buddy. There we go. Right there. Yep, it's a hit. It's a hit. It's a hit. It's a hit. Got him. Oh, got him. That's right, buddy. You come here. I think it's a crappie. Another crappie. Oh, no. We end the night with another pretty good sized crappie. he's about a 10 and a half. So not too bad. 4 crappie. Get him sent back and call it a night. Buddy, thanks for playing bite number 4. Go enjoy life a little bit more. Other way. There he goes. All right, nice. Well guys, not too bad of a night of fishing. Unfortunately, my friend Matt did not get to make it. He had some other things come up, but we still got out here and caught some fish. 4 crappie. I mean, really, you can't beat that in the time span I was out there. And that 12.5 incher is huge for that area. So I hope y'all are enjoying the content. I'm going to be getting out here and doing more winter fishing as time goes. We might even try to get a limit of crappie in one video. We'll just see what happens. So guys, if that subscribe button is red, make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. And this is Caleb with Caleb's Catches reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.